I have been using my iRESTORE. It has worked.
Anybody who's struggling with thin hair or hair loss, I recommend it, and just give it a shot.
And it's been over 6 months since I've been using this iRESTORE device. The biggest thing was the bald patch, which finally filled in.
Introducing the best-selling FDA-cleared iRESTORE hair growth system. iRESTORE is an at-home laser therapy system, clinically proven to combat hair thinning and receding hairline for both men and women. The medical-grade lasers and LEDs, featuring state-of-the-art Lumitech light technology, make it possible to grow back fuller hair in as little as 12 minutes every day. Our revolutionary design expands coverage across the sides and back of scalp. With iRESTORE, you can expect to see visible hair growth in as little as 3 months, complete with a set of hair care products to maximize your results. All backed by an industry-leading 12-month money-back guarantee. See results or get your money back.
I'm super excited about iRESTORE. I feel like my hair is fuller and it's actually growing faster.
So I started using the iRESTORE consistently in May, and at the 4-month mark, I really started noticing a difference.
It is FDA cleared, and what that means is that it's been shown to be safe and effective.
It's almost like day and night. It's incredible.
It really worked for me, so it grew back not only just a little bit of my hair, but also it helped me to keep the hair that I have.
It's never been easier to regrow your hair in your own home. Get back your hair, your confidence, and your future with iRESTORE today. Start your own hair growth journey now. iRESTORE. Restore confidence.